Hello, I'm Hugh from All Preparation Equipment. Today we'll be going over some tips and tricks to easily and quickly set up your Makinex 16 kVA or 32 kVA 3-phase generator. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel if you haven't already. The 16 kVA generator can supply single or 3-phase power to anything up to the DSM 650S and Trom 400. The 32 kVA generator can supply power to anything up to the DSM 800RC and Storm 700. So first of all, with the generator, check the fuel level with the indicator here and fill it up with the inlet, and it's always meant to have unleaded 95. The oil around here, the dipstick, check that daily. So when starting the machine, you've got the choke and key at the back here. So always ensure there's the power is turned off at the outlets, and also we've got the brake around the side. So to turn it on, pull the choke out and then turn the key, which should be on the off position, around to start. Once it starts, then you switch it back to on position and put the choke in. So I'll show you that. Then to turn it off, and then take the key out so that it doesn't drain the battery. So when connecting power, 3-phase 32 amp 5 pin or 10 amp and 15 amp, always ensure the power's off. Then connect it, and it's always important to make sure it's in firmly, and then tighten the collar so it doesn't pull out. Once you've connected it on your grinder or vacuum end, turn the power on, and then you can start working with your machine. You've got circuit overload breakers here for 3-phase and single phase. And then when you're shutting the machine down, it's always important to turn the power off at the outlet and then turn it off so you don't damage the equipment. You've got the muffler around the side. Always make sure you're using it outside in a well ventilated area, and ensure it's not pointing towards anything that can get damaged. So when moving it around, always ensure the brake is off, and then you've got the handles at the back where you can lift it and spin it on its wheels to transport. Before starting the generator each day, check the oil level and regularly check the fuel level while you're running. As always, make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE when working with any machinery, and for more in-depth safety information, refer to the manual. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button before you go. If you're interested in any of the gear we showed you today, call us on 1800 422 992. Catch you on the next one.